Hey, it's Ben. I have this Aquastrong sand filter pump, the SFPV181T. This was sent to me from the company to make this video. So I'm just going to show you all that comes with it. I'm not going to hook it up and install it, but I just want to show you what comes with it, what it looks like, how big it is and everything. It does come with this quick installation guide, as well as an owner manual, which probably has a lot more detailed troubleshooting. The installation guide is very well detailed, easy to follow, good illustrations. So I don't think you'd have any trouble getting this set up. So I just want to point out the different components that come with this. First of all, here's your tank. This is going to be your sand tank inside. This was already inside when the box arrived. So this is going to be filled up with your sand. And this screws onto this plastic piece. So this is a plastic base. This is the plastic resin tub tank. And then this is going to be your drainage valve. Okay, in a separate box came the filter that goes on top of the tank, and that's right here. And so that's going to be sitting down on top of here. Another separate box is the 1.5 horsepower swimming pool pump. So this monster is inside this box, and it's this full length. And so this is going to be attached here in this spot with some mounting bolts. So you put these either here or here, and then this will slide in and lock into place. Then we have this separate box for all of the accessories. So the side of the box obviously tells you all the pieces that are in here, and inside everything is individually packaged and well labeled. So this even has some Teflon tape, all the connectors you need, all the adapters you need, hose clamps, and everything you need to fit all of the components together. These longer hoses were inside the tank when the box was opened. I will point out that the hose that will connect from the pool to the pump and from the pump to the pool, this is not included, so you will have to check your measures for that. The plug on the pump is 3-prong grounded plug, and here's just a view of the control panel for the pump. Again, this was just a video to show you all the different components that comes with this, to give you an idea of what it'll take to put it all together. Hope this is helpful in helping you make your purchasing decision. Thanks for watching.